What does good writing look like? Let's find out. Are you ready? To begin with, it is neat, has complete sentences, has enhanced vocabulary, has indented paragraphs, and correct spelling. In addition to having correct capitalization, the ideas are well organized. It has a beginning, middle, and an enticing end. Has all the details and it utilizes all the 5 senses. A thought-provoking question for all the authors out there: is it long enough? Does it have proper grammar? Is it unique? Is it interesting to read? And do you stick to the topic? Let's talk about neatness. Does your handwriting prevent readers from understanding what you have written? Then you should probably try to stretch your hands before writing. Observe how you hold your pen or pencil, or just by changing a little bit how the way you hold your pen or pencil, you can actually improve your handwriting significantly. Can you read it? And most importantly, take your time, write legibly. Every author has a purpose of what she or he is writing. Are they writing to inform something to their readers? Are they trying to persuade the reader? Or is it just simply to entertain your readers? What is the purpose of your writing? As an author or just as a casual writer, you must have a procedure, a process in place that you should supposed to write, called the writing process. Let's get started. It all starts with the first plan, and then focus on your topic. Organize all the information in a particular format, then prepare your first draft. Then read what you have written, and then change what you need, edit them, and then read, and again revise, and finally edit, and therefore finally it goes for publishing. Let's now organize our writing. It can include a diagram that is a collection of ideas, details, and informative paragraphs. You could use all the 5 senses that include sights, sounds, smell, taste, and texture, or whatever you are trying to describe. You can include a timeline which includes dates when it happened, an order, and in what sequence the story goes. Lastly, you can use a graphic organizer, something that I use called mind maps, which is nothing more than a connection of your ideas that you are trying to write about. Good writers use their voice, and you need to use your voice. When you use your unique writing voice, you interest your readers. An author's unique writing voice brings in the feeling and the emotions to their writing. What is the idea of a good writing? Let's work on the ideation. A good idea is clear, interesting, and it is original. Let's begin with sentence fluency. Always look to diversify the types of sentences that you use. Utilize asking sentences, ask questions, telling sentences, commanding sentences, and exclaiming sentences. Utilizing a variety of sentences types can actually increase the level of your writing. Let's find out more. Let's see this example. A sentence is, "My dog is fast." That's a good sentence, but it is simple. A compound version of it is, "My dog is fast and sneaky." A complex version of that same is that, "Running after my dog, I huffed and I puffed, gasping for air." Most important, now let's discuss word choices. When you are trying to communicate an idea, there are different shades that you can use by making the sentence more meaningful, adding a depth to it, making it more intriguing. For example, if you were to write, "My neighbor is boring." There are many ways you could actually say this. In fact, boring is just boring, isn't it? So we could say instead, "My neighbor is dull." Let's go over some common words which can add a shade to your writing or give it a makeover. The very simple words like good, best, first, great, fast, slow, smart, dumb, fat, skinny. There are variety of vocabulary words that we could use to increase the shade of the meaning of what we are trying to say. It's now time to summarize that what we have learned today. First and foremost, you need to always read what you write. Because you need to consider your audience. If your audience is going to understand or to be persuaded or be informed or be entertained about what you're writing, your writing needs to be exciting, bright, and amazing. Writing is a superb opportunity to showcase the entire world that there is no one as unique as you. Yes, you are a superb human and you are a superb writer.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.